Back, everyone. You may be an iPhone owner and you may be wanting to go ahead and actually increase the volume of your Bluetooth headphones. Now, whether they're AirPods or Sony ones or Bose ones, whatever it is, the way to do this is actually very basic. The first thing I would recommend doing, which is very, very easy, is increasing the volume of your specific phone in the first place. So swipe down on the top right corner right there, you'll find your volume toggle right here, and all you want to do is make sure it's set all the way up or as high as you can. If it's not, if it's like right here, well, that's pretty much the main issue, and that's what's causing the main problem for the most part. Now, if your specific, audio application that you're using, like Apple Music or whatever, if they have a volume bar here that's separate, you can always set this up higher. So just like how I'm doing it, go into Spotify, SoundCloud, whatever you're using, and increase this all the way up, and that should end up fixing the problem as well. Now, another thing you can do, as always, is to update those specific applications. You can always go ahead and go into your specific volume application like this or your app store, search up those apps, and just go ahead and update them. And the majority of the time, that should end up fixing it too. But another thing you can do, which is actually very interesting, is within the iPhone settings. I think since iOS 16, we have the ability of actually going through and actually turning off a specific setting, which reduces loud sounds. So we can make our way over to sounds and haptics right here. Right up top, we have headphone safety. We want to go and click there, and we'll have reduce loud sounds. If this is enabled, that is pretty much going to go ahead and reduce the loud sounds around you, and that can kind of cause some differentiations. It can kind of cause some annoyances here and there. So what I would recommend doing is actually turning this toggle off, and that should theoretically turn off. As you can see, your iPhone can analyze headphones audio and reduce any sound that is over a set decibel. If you don't want that enabled, go ahead and disable it, and for any headphones that you use, it'll go ahead and pretty much turn that off for the most part, which is probably what you want. Now, if that doesn't work, you may want to go ahead and go through each individual application, like I mentioned before, Apple Music, Spotify, and you want to see if there's any options within them that actually allow you to set the volume, maybe different decibels, different things like that, or filtering of the audio. If there's any ways you can go and mess with those, then I would recommend, also messing with those as well. So that's pretty much how to do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.